Priya's attempting to get her wheelchair stuck in the snow.
Oh my god, there's no way I can go out there.
Yeah, you can do it. Oh, I've seen plenty of people in wheelchairs do this. This is like jackass
Look at all
Asheville.
these stupid footsteps in the way.
Huh?
Look at all these stupid footsteps in the way. Let's see how far I can make it. Oh.
Get the fucking chains out.
Are you stuck?
I'm stuck.
Can you go backwards?
No! It's not going
They
backwards.
see me turn.
Can you hold that a second?
Yeah.
This is where it gets to be fun.
There we go. Yay.
Oh, okay.
Are you going back?
Yeah, you've been
Are
pushing.
you working with me?
Yeah, I'm pushing it back. You just turned it off, but
Yeah, that doesn't help. Oh, Phil? Phil?
Oh, yeah. There you go. Now it's.
Are you pushing back?
yeah.
Yay! Priya got rescued. Let's know. Fuck, damn.
Don't try this at home.
It's stuck on something. Nice.
Snow doesn't like cripples.
No snow for cripples.
Is that politically correct? Yes.
Get this snow tracks.
Big enemy no.
Snow down.
Alright, let me take a picture. My one snow picture. Phew!
This is the silliest video.